There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video, and I just wanted to show you guys my updated nighttime skincare routine, and this is how I maintain my healthy skin and just keep it all under control. So if you would like to see how I do so, just keep on watching. So first, I just want to say everything that I'll be using in this video is going to be from Kiehl's. So I am taking this Calendula deep cleansing foaming face wash. I do double cleanse, so this is just the basic cleanser that I go in with first. I have no idea if I said it right, but y'all see it on the screen. So next, I'll be taking my Clearly Corrective Brightening and Exfoliating Daily Cleanser. I love this stuff because it cleanses and exfoliates, so you do have your 2-in-1, but it also brightens, which is perfect because that's exactly what I need. So now I'm going in with my toner, and I'm going to use the Clearly Corrective Brightening and Soothing Treatment Water. I do struggle with a lot of scarring from acne, so anything that has to do with brightening, I'm like down for. So next I am going in with my Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate, and I love this stuff. It also has vitamin C in it, which is going to brighten, lighten, and tighten the skin. So I'm taking my Midnight Recovery Concentrate Oil, and I'm just going to press that into my skin. This restores the appearance of the skin by morning. That's why it's a nighttime oil only, and it's so perfect. Oh my gosh, I gotta get this. I swear this thing works miracles. So for moisturizer, I am taking my Super Multi-Corrective Cream. This visibly lifts, firms, and retexturizes the skin, which is perfect because I do struggle with texture, and this has greatly improved my skin. Last but not least, eye cream. I am taking my creamy eye treatment with avocado. This is perfect, especially if you have dehydrated under eyes. Get you some eye cream and get you some water. And that's all there is to my skincare routine, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If anybody struggles with acne scars, texture, or have sensitive skin, I do encourage you all to try at least one product from this routine. Thank you all so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications as well. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.
Oh, oh, oh.